Hi all, so let us look about the disease myasthenia gravis. So what is this myasthenia gravis? Myasthenia gravis is a autoimmune disease. What are meant by autoimmune diseases? Autoimmune diseases are nothing but when body's immune systems mistakenly attack the healthy cells of the body. The resulting diseases are called autoimmune diseases. See, myasthenia gravis is a muscle related disease. Myasthenia means muscle weakness. Gravis means very serious. So it is a life threatening disease. Now what will be the symptoms? So muscles will be relaxed. So muscle weakness in the different parts of the body, mainly if they affect the lung muscles, it will be life threatening. So one more symptom is ptosis, that is dropping of the eyelids. అంటే మనం వన్ ఐ ఊరికే బ్లింక్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ టాసిస్ అనమాట. సో వాట్ హ్యాపన్స్ డ్యూరింగ్ ఏ నార్మల్ మజిల్ కాంట్రాక్షన్ ప్రాసెస్ ఈజ్ మోటార్ న్యూరాన్స్ will send the signal to muscles which were distributed all over the body, and the site where the motor neurons get contact with the muscles is called neuromuscular junction. So have a look at the neuromuscular junction. See, this is the new motor neuron and this is the muscle cell, and this motor neuron have some vesicles in which acetylcholine neurotransmitter is there, and so when the signal is passed, obviously from these vesicles acetylcholine have been released out and they get bind to the acetylcholine receptor. So these green ones are called acetylcholine receptors. So this acetylcholine will gets bind to these receptors and thereby muscle contraction will happen. See, this is what happens during a normal muscle contraction process. But in a myasthenia gravis attacked patients, what will happen is the patient's immune system will produce B cells. These B cells will produce anti-acetylcholine receptor antibodies. See here, anti-acetylcholine receptor antibodies. Actually అయితే autoimmune disease అంటే ఏం చెప్పాను, when the body's immune system will attack the healthy cells. So the B cells will develop this antibody, and so these are called autoimmune diseases. ఈ antibodies ఎప్పుడైతే రిలీజ్ అయ్యాయో, what they will do next, they will get bind to its టార్గెట్ ఏంటి, ACH రిసెప్టర్ యాంటీబాడీ కాబట్టి sorry, they will obviously bind to acetylcholine receptor only. See here, they have got binded here. If you bind అయినప్పుడు when the signal have been passed and this vesicles, and from these vesicles when acetylcholine is released, the acetylcholine can't bind to the receptors because already antibodies were there, right? And so thereby what will happen, binding of the acetylcholine to receptors will not happen, and thereby muscle contraction will not happen. So muscle relaxation will happen. So here in myasthenia gravis is mainly a muscle related disease in which the connection between the motor neurons and the muscles is lost due to production of anti-acetylcholine receptor antibodies by B cells. Now coming to the treatment. See, for this treatment mainly acetylcholine esterase inhibitors were used. Examples, neostigmine, pyridostigmine. Apart from that, immunosuppressants like prednisolone will also be used. What does this prednisolone do? This prednisolone will not let the B cells to produce this antibodies. So next, inkokati surgical procedure will be the surgical removal of thymus. What thymus? This process is called thymectomy. So this thymus is a place in which T cell maturation will be taking place, and from this T cell, upon the activation, they will produce B cells. These B cells, as you all know, they will be producing these antibodies. So surgical removal of thymus. Asli thymus తీసేస్తే ఏ లొల్లు ఉండదు కదా అని చెప్పి surgical removal of the thymus. This is also one more the procedure 2 for the treatment of the myasthenia gravis. So this is about the myasthenia gravis.